people. This is Danny, and today I present to you Color Craze, my mobile application made in Unity. It's a game. It's just a simple platformer, but let's show you the UI. So this is the main screen. As you can see, a play button, lots of effects with particles, achievement leaderboards, shop, and daily rewards. And there's also a button, more fun, for future game modes, but they are not yet implemented. And you have settings. You can change the sound effects, volume, and it also changes color. So I try to put a lot of color into this game. It's called Color Craze, so that's one thing. And then music, I have to warn you, it's not the best, but it's something. Yep. So the music, the color effect for the music is changing color, and as you can see, if the volume is lower, the change speed is lower, but when you up the volume, it changes faster. I love to do that. And then character rotation while in game. For now, there's a circle, so it doesn't really do anything when it rotates. But I plan to introduce skins for players, and they might rotate if you want to. Okay, and there's a button for ads, but yeah, that's not implemented. And then about section, how to play and credits. How to play will just get into the game and be like a trial, so there's no point in doing that. And then credits, I thank a lot of people like Unity community, Free Peak, that's where I got my icons, and everyone for playing the game. So let's get in the game. You're this circle, and whenever you tap the screen, you change colors. There are always only 4 colors. Yellow, so this is the end screen. Some fancy animations, I'll explain it a bit. Let's play again. Whenever you tap, you change colors, and there are 4. Blue, red, yellow, and then green. I died again. It's a pretty hard game, to be honest. Let me focus for a bit. And you have to match the color of whatever the thrower is throwing at you. So there are throwers on the side, and yeah, they just throw colors at you and you have to match it. Now I'll show you in a bit, a little further in the game. But for now, let's focus on the end screen. So you have some quick access to sharing, Facebook, Twitter. Let's close that. You can watch ads for extra coins. Yeah, in the middle you see the total coins accumulated ever since I got the app on my phone. I played for quite a bit. And this bar, so this was my concept. Every day you play and you gain coins, but they reset. Like each day you have an amount of coins you get there that day, and that fills the bar. When you get to colored, you get the bonus. I haven't decided what it is yet. And when you get to colorful, you get an even better bonus, like a skin. And this bar shows you how many you gathered today. And actually there's 1 particle for each coin you gathered, like in that bar. In the middle there's 100, and then at the end you need 200 to get there. It shows you are colorless for now. That's unfortunate. Let's play more. I never got past 136. This is a new high score. Ah, that was above 150. That's the first time I see that. Is the circle that changes after it passes. It's like, wow. Okay, so that was it. I almost filled the color bar. New high score, as you can see. Uh, it, that's the game. I hope I will complete it soon and share it with everyone. Have fun and see you soon.